How to sleep next to someone who snores very loudly.
Start by protecting your sleep. Use foam earplugs or a white noise machine and keep a cool, dark bedroom. Sleep slightly earlier or move to the side farthest from their mouth, or try a bigger bed. Ask your partner to avoid alcohol before bed and try side sleeping or modest head elevation. If snoring is loud, nightly, or includes choking, gasping, or daytime sleepiness, they need a doctor. Treatable conditions like sleep apnea can be the cause.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.